This beautiful 3-bed/2-bath home features a split floor plan, offering privacy and comfort for the entire family. Stainless appliances. Spacious dining area. The master suite is complete with a walk-in closet. Fenced-in backyard. New rubber mulch in flower bed. Perfectly located near Robins Air Force Base, shopping, dining, and entertainment, this property offers both convenience and comfort. Freshly painted throughout, the home is move-in ready. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to own a move-in ready home in an unbeatable location. Schedule your showing today.